This guy walked in 9. Great start to the whitetail deer season.
Get over to the house. Gonna bring this one to the processor, so it's gonna be a good cold.
Alright y'all, we are back at it. Welcome back to Bravo Unlimited. I'm Chef Bravo, and check me out. Today we have some beautiful venison steaks already marinated up. These bad boys popping for 24 hours in the refrigerator. Rosemary, fresh garlic, olive oil. Look at this. Just out the night before. Get them ready. Marinate them. Oh yeah, look at those beauties right there. Absolutely. Absolutely gorgeous. We have the grill outside preheating right now. This is another way to do venison steaks. We're going to show you guys what time it is. Let's go. Alright y'all, we got the Coleman piped up. Boom! That thing's popping at like 500 degrees right now. Look at the beautiful venison. Check it out. Just wanted to share with you guys, and I think you're going to love this recipe. This is a recipe I learned working in some fine dining restaurants earlier back in the day. And so this recipe is simple. Fresh rosemary, fresh garlic, Mediterranean sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper, olive oil. Put it all, combine it all in a bowl, put it into a Ziploc bag, let it marinate overnight for 24 hours the day before. And I'm gonna tell you, this will take any steak you have. But if you want to do some venison, if any of you guys have any issues with gaminess or anything like that, this recipe will knock your socks off, guaranteed. Don't knock it till you try it, give it a shot. So good hot grill. This is the little Coleman that could. Okay, bomb. Right on there. All this will come together very quick. Boom. 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 Oh yeah, get that sizzle, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We're getting fired up over here. We're gonna cook this up. It doesn't take long because you see the size of these steaks. Your steaks you're gonna get from your shoulders, from your rear quarters, your rear hind quarters. You're gonna have to cut those pieces as you can. Out of the different pieces that are suitable for your steak, that are more tender. So we're gonna sit here and let the magic happen. Let these things sizzle up, let it come together. It's gonna be beautiful, y'all. Stay tuned. Come on in, come on in. Go on ahead and get that boy flipped up. Bomb. Switch it right up over there to that other side of the grill. It's nice and hot. Bomb. Beautiful. Don't take long. Don't take long. And you don't need to overdo it. Get some bad boys on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Make sure you got it. You start with a nice hot grill to get those good grill marks. 400, 450, anything like that. This is the little grill that could, so you got to be careful. This thing will try to get up on 500 degrees real fast, real fast. This all comes together in like maybe just 6-7 minutes. So really the work is taking the time the day before to marinate it. I just wanted to share this quick venison recipe I thought you guys might enjoy. Just a nice, quick, and easy recipe you can just bomb, knock out. Take care of things the day before, get the prep in, come the next day, throw your little potatoes or something in the oven, little vegetables, little salad, whatever. But this is going to be to die for. Stay tuned for the finished product. What are you doing, you little cutie? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Sweet Cali girl, love to smell that venison. That Coleman is heating it up. Bomb. Let's go. it right. Get it right, get it right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on in here. Okay. Those pieces are beautiful but not overdone. Look at those right there. Beautiful but not overdone. Yes. That somewhere like that. That's a little thicker, so we're gonna let that finish up. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Those thicker pieces just finish up just a little bit. Let's see this little piece right here. Fresh off the grill, barbecued rosemary, boy. Y'all gonna love this when you try this. What you doing, baby? What you doing, sweet journey girl? You smelling it? A little bit of time comes together quick. Boom. Look at those beautiful pieces right there. Look at those beautiful pieces. Oh yeah. Pull them bad boys off just like that. Comes together quick. Venison meat is super lean. Turn up that grill, let it all burn off. Boom. Bring that bad boy right inside. There it is, y'all. Right here. We got the beautiful journey girl. The beautiful Texas steak. What do you think, baby? What do you think, my cutie? You good, sweet girl? Yeah. That's a smiley girl. This is the rosemary garlic venison steaks. I hope y'all enjoyed this. This quick and easy recipe that anyone can throw together. Marinate it ahead of time. Put the love into it. Get the results. We'll see y'all soon.